This introduction explains why you might need to remove a Tesla vehicle from your Tesla account. When selling, trading, or transferring ownership of your Tesla, removing the vehicle disconnects it from your account. This allows the new owner to link the vehicle to their own account and access all features. As of December 2025, Tesla has made this process more efficient with added security measures to protect your information. It's crucial to understand that your Tesla account is separate from legal vehicle ownership. The account provides a digital link to your car's features and services through the app, while legal ownership refers to who actually owns the vehicle according to the law. Your Tesla account connects you digitally to the vehicle, allowing access to remote features and updates. Legal ownership, however, determines who has the official rights to the car. When you remove a vehicle from your account in the Tesla app, it only severs the digital connection. You lose access to remote controls and features, but the legal ownership remains unchanged. The Tesla app provides the interface for managing this digital connection, showing vehicle status and controls. When selling your Tesla, don't just remove it from your account. Instead, use Tesla's transfer ownership feature, which generates a secure code and verifies the buyer's information to properly transfer both the digital access and legal ownership. This ensures the new owner can fully access all vehicle features and services while protecting both parties from potential issues. Open the Tesla app and log in. Select the vehicle you want to remove. Tap the settings icon gear wheel. Scroll to Vehicle or Account Settings. Select Remove Vehicle or Delete from Account. Confirm using biometric or password verification. This may take up to 48 hours to fully process. Before removing a Tesla from your account, there are several important considerations to keep in mind to ensure a smooth process and avoid complications. First, ensure the vehicle you're removing isn't your primary account vehicle. Tesla requires at least one vehicle to remain as primary, so if this is your only vehicle or primary one, you'll need to designate another vehicle as primary before proceeding. Second, check for any outstanding financial obligations. If there are unpaid loans, leases, or other financial ties to the vehicle through Tesla's financing, the removal process may be blocked. Always settle these obligations first. Third, if the vehicle is still under warranty or covered by a service plan, you might need Tesla's approval to remove it. This prevents potential data loss and ensures warranty claims can still be processed. Contact Tesla support for guidance. Finally, if you're selling the vehicle, remember to use Tesla's transfer ownership feature instead of just removing it. This generates a secure code and verifies the buyer's details, ensuring they get full access to features like over-the-air updates and supercharger credits. Sometimes the Remove Vehicle option may be unavailable in the Tesla app. This can happen for several reasons. First, if the vehicle is your primary one on the account, the option won't appear. To fix this, add another vehicle as your primary first, then try removing it. Second, if there are unpaid balances or active loans on the vehicle, removal will be blocked. Make sure to clear all financial obligations before proceeding. Third, active subscriptions or service plans like warranties can prevent removal. Cancel or transfer these services first. For vehicles being sold, use the transfer ownership feature instead of just removing it to ensure the new owner gets full access. If problems persist after resolving these issues, contact Tesla support for assistance. Tesla has implemented robust security enhancements to protect vehicle ownership. Starting in 2025, the removal process now requires mandatory identity verification to prevent unauthorized deletions. You'll need to verify your identity through multiple methods, including email confirmation, phone verification, or providing proof of purchase. This multi-layered approach ensures only authorized owners can make changes. These security measures directly address common issues with used Tesla purchases, where previous owners might retain access. The verification process creates a secure transfer environment, protecting both buyers and sellers from unauthorized account modifications. By requiring these verifications, Tesla maintains data integrity and complies with global privacy regulations, making vehicle ownership transfers more reliable and trustworthy. Looking ahead, The future of electric vehicle ownership is being shaped by emerging technologies that promise to make ownership transfers more secure and efficient. Blockchain technology is emerging as a powerful tool for EV ownership. By creating a decentralized, tamper-proof ledger, blockchain can verify ownership transfers without relying on centralized app systems. This could make current app-based vehicle removals obsolete, as every transfer is recorded immutably across a network of computers. A key advantage of blockchain is decentralized data ownership. Instead of vehicle data being controlled by Tesla's servers, ownership information is distributed across multiple nodes, giving users greater control and reducing the risk of data breaches or centralized failures. Artificial intelligence is also transforming ownership management. AI systems can monitor vehicle activity and automatically prompt users to remove inactive vehicles from their accounts. This automation reduces manual effort and helps maintain clean, accurate account data. These emerging technologies work together to create a more streamlined and secure ownership transfer process. Blockchain provides the foundation of trust and decentralization, while AI handles the automation of routine tasks, ultimately offering users a seamless experience in managing their electric vehicle ownership.